Hello, mathematicians. It's Miss Blam, and I am back ready to do some math, and I hope that you are too. Today we are doing lesson 5, session 2, and I forgot to put the page number at the top, but it's page 97. You'll see these squares, and it has a number 1 on it. So this week we're continuing to, which means we're developing. We're growing, we're learning, we're still practicing, developing number partners for 10, or I call them friends of 10. Jen and Kay each have cards with numbers 1 to 9. 2 cards with a sum of 10 are chosen. What are different ways to make 10? So, really, what they're saying is they have a bunch of cards numbered 1 through 9. 2 cards, when they pull them, equal 10. What are some of the cards and the numbers that could have been on those cards? So this is where you try it. We're on page 97 and it says try it. So just practice using those number bonds. They're numbered 1 to 9. All right, so go ahead and pause here and try it for yourself before you follow me. All right, I'm going to solve this. They have cards with 1 to 9. 2 cards with a sum of 10 are chosen. I'm just going to go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to do what it said. It said numbers 1 through 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So if you have cubes, you can use cubes. You can use these cards. You can draw. You can use your fingers. So I'm going to start out with, I'm going to go with the last one, and I'm going to say 9. 9, 10. So it could be 9 plus 1 equals 10. That could be some of their cards. And I'll just work my way backwards. 8, 8, 9, 10. 8 and 2, 8 plus 2 equals 10, or 1 plus 9 equals 10, or 2 plus 8 equals 10, okay? Let's go with 7. 7 plus 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus, 3 equals 10. Look at all these different combinations. This could be 1, that could be 1, that could be 1. All right, we're going to keep going. 4 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Those are the options. They said it can't be 5 because they picked 2 cards. I guess we could, it says they each have 10 cards. So they could combine their 5s and do 5 plus 5 equals 10. These are all the different ways you can get to 10. All of them can be flipped with the commutative property other than 5 plus 5 because it's the same no matter what. This 8 plus 2 is also 2 plus 8. 4 plus 6 is also 6 plus 4. 9 plus 1 is 1 plus 9. So those are all the different ways that they could have made 10 with those cards. So again, you could have drawn those cards, do what I did, whatever works for you. This is a long lesson. So it says, again, this is how they model it. So they do, we're going to read the problem again. Jen and Kay each have cards with numbers 1 to 9. 2 cards with a sum of 10 are chosen. What are different ways to make 10? Model it. Here's where you're going to use models. If you have those sticks of cubes, feel free to grab them. You're only going to need 2 colors. This is going to be the first color. This is going to be the second color. So you're going to find different ways to make 10. 1 plus what equals 10? Or blank plus 1 equals 10. I solved that back here. So you know it's 9 plus 1. So you're going to color in one of those dots, one of those cubes. Then here you're going to color in 2. Here you're going to color in 3, and then you're going to keep going all the way down. So I'll erase mine. and I will copy yours. This is a really good strategy. So if friends of 10 are hard for you, then go ahead and color it in, figure it out, use your cubes, whatever helps you. So here I have my cubes, and here's my 1. So it's 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. So then I know all you're doing over here is flipping it. 9 plus 1 must also equal 10. All right, same thing. 2 plus equals 10. So if I flip it, there I go. This one doesn't have down here because you can't flip it. It's the same. So 2, go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. So then I know 8 plus 2 must equal 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7. 3 plus 7. So now I know 7 plus 3. Count with me if this is too hard for you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I know 4 plus 6 and 6 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. All right, that is that whole page of Model It. All I did is I just flipped it. See? All right, now we are going on to page 99 where we connect it. So it says, how is your way like Model It? How is it different? So mine, I would say I got all the different combinations. 1, I knew the partners, but I drew cards. So I drew cards, I didn't do the blocks. How do cubes help you? You can use cubes to model. So they're like a real life, you can touch them. So you can use cubes to model it. Pause this and copy this down if you need to. All right, number 3, look at the models, complete the equation. So here, all we're doing is we're taking 10 cubes like we've talked about. This is kind of like base 10 that we started talking about last week. 10 cubes in a stick. All they did is they took it from this and they laid it down. Okay, I have 10. You can color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and count how many are left after your 5. Same here with 6. Okay, it's doing the opposites. It's taking the bigger numbers first. So 10 equals 5 plus blank. 10 equals 6 plus blank. And then 10 equals blank plus 6. 10 equals blank plus 7. 10 equals blank plus 8. 10, oops. Even if you know these, again, color it in. What we're doing is we're working on strategy and we're working on strengthening your number sense, which just means you're getting a deeper understanding of math. So I'm going to take 5 and I can do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There I go. 6, I'm going to stop counting at 10. I need more fingers for this though. Or less actually. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4. So now I know that 10 equals 4 plus 6. All they're doing is putting the sum in the front. So don't let it trick you. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3. Also 3 plus 7. 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2. 10 equals 2 plus 8. All they're doing is they took this equals 10 and they moved it to the front of the line. Same players, different parts. Now, 9, 10. Or I could say, I'm gonna write it over here, 10 equals 9 plus 1. All right, so there you have it. Go ahead again if you need to. If I went too fast, go ahead and copy that down. Okay, pause it because I'm gonna erase it right now. If you need to still copy. You can always rewind these and watch them over and over again. Rewind, pause, so you can get a good understanding of something that you missed or maybe I went over too quickly. All right, this one says, look at the model. Complete the equation. Blank plus blank equals 10. Blank plus blank equals 10. I'm pretty sure it's hard to tell. I don't think these are colored in. So you can color it in and make any friends of 10 that you want. I'm just gonna check and see if that is correct because, oh, I was wrong. Okay, so actually, let's see, I'm on page 100. Okay, yep, I was wrong. So it's, so it goes to, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are different colors. And I know it's 4 because I just counted it. So I'm going to say 4 plus blank equals 10. Blank plus 4 equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need to count those. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. I am counting on. This is why counting on was such a skill or a strategy that we worked on for so long, because it helps you in other areas. Color to show 2 plus 8 equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to color in 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to write 2 plus 8 equals 10. Oh, that's what they gave me. Then I'm going to flip it. I'm going to do the opposite. 8 plus 2 equals 10. This was part of our fact family for addition. You have 2 addition, same players, different parts. Here they are. Okay, awesome. Number 6, color to show 7 plus 3 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So I know some of you again are like, this is so easy. But what I want you to do is just follow along. 4, 5, 6, 7. So then I have, oops, 7 equals 10. 3, 1, 2, 3. Count the rest that are left over. All right, for pages 101 and 102, you're going to do exactly what we just did. It's just refining it. So you're going to practice. It's pretty much the same thing. It says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 4. Example, use the row of 10 cubes. What are 2 ways to make 10? 1 blue cube and 9 green cubes. 10 equals 1 plus 9. 10 equals 9 plus 1. Now down here, you're going to use the cubes. Write ways to make 10. 10 equals, so you're going to color in those 9, or I think if you have a book, they're already colored in, but you're going to count 9 and then that 1. And then here it's the opposite though. They did 10 equals 1 plus 9, 10 equals 9 plus 1. So you're going to fill in those number partners. Then on the next page, it says, look at the model, complete the 2 equations. And you're going to fill it in with what you see. Color to show. If you have a black and white copy, like Miss Flam has, you're going to do 3 and 7. So I want you to do these 3 or one color and then 7 or another color. Color to show 5 plus 5. And then this is just a refresher. So you have, what do I add to 1 to get to 10? What do I add to 8 to get to 10? What do I add to 7 to get to 10? And then what are the other 2 bonds that are missing? So you can fill those in with what you think goes in those other spots. All right, and then next time I see you, we'll be on session 3. Great job, keep up the good work. I know this is hard, but if you persevere, you're going to get it. Quitters never win and winners never quit, so keep it up. Good job, guys.